Today I'm going to show you how long it takes to change a blade on this Wood-mizer LT70. The first thing you got to do is relieve the tension on this blade. So, when you get these blades, they're packaged like this. This is what I like to do to keep myself from getting cut like I did one time before. I'll just take them, undo it, just throw it on the ground. That keeps me from getting hit. The next thing we're going to do is open these panels. And then you just kind of work this blade on there.